This is Maslow4, an affordable, compact, large format CNC router. Six years ago, we introduced Maslow as a first of its kind open source CNC router. We ran a successful Kickstarter campaign, delivered our kits on time, fostered an incredible community from around the world, and built some really cool things. We've taken everything that we learned from that experience to build Maslow4.
Maslow4 is a complete redesign of the original Maslow. It's got this new Wi-Fi enabled 5-axis controller. It's much faster. It's fully self-calibrating. It can cut on both horizontal and almost vertical surfaces, and it will cut your 8x4 material with precision.
It's very easy to set up. You extend these belts, affix them to any flat-rated surface, and you're ready to go. You connect to Maslow4 over Wi-Fi with any modern browser. We're proud to say that there's no Maslow CNC app. Maslow4 is easy to assemble and requires no special tools, no soldering, and no programming to put together. We created Maslow4 because we wanted to make large format digital fabrication accessible.
Years ago, 3D printers made our way into our homes, but you can't 3D print a chair or a bookshelf, let alone a whole canoe.
This is where large format CNC routers come into play. Maslow is a compact, lightweight, affordable machine that can cut this 4x8 sheet of plywood with much greater precision than would be possible by hand. We want more people to be able to design and print big things, like signs, furniture, boats, maybe someday even houses. That's why all of the designs and code for Maslow are fully open source. And here's the thing, to make this technology really accessible, we want to keep the cost down as much as we can. But to make it a reality, we need your help. We need to raise $197,000 to cover the cost of tooling and production to bring this technology to the world. This will be the team's third Kickstarter campaign to deliver successfully. We know what it takes to get it done.
You can help us reach our goal by pre-ordering full Maslow4 kit or backing us at any level. With your help, we'll be donating Maslow4 kits to schools, makerspaces, and good causes here in Ukraine and around the world.
We've had a great time with our Kickstarter campaigns in the past. It's an awesome way to build a community and bring something into the world together.
We're going to have discussions in the forums and incorporate your feedback into everything we do. An open source project is nothing without its community, you.
If you know an engineer, artist, maker, or other creative person who might be interested in what we're doing, please share this project with them. It really helps.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the forums.